In this video, I will show you how to reset Roblox settings. So the first thing you need to do is search for run and then click on it. Then after that, go ahead and type percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox and press enter. And here you will see the files of Roblox. So you will see it here, and then go and find the versions folder and click on it. And then you will see the version folder here. Right click and click on delete. So this is a cache file. So when you restart your Roblox, you can play it again. And the second method is search for installed apps. And then click on it. And after that, search for Roblox. Then here you will see the Roblox, and then click on three dots and then click on uninstall and then reinstall it again to play a game. So that's the other method that you will use. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.